Take your CJ7 all the way to 11. Jeepin' with Cool Guy.
In this round, we're going to take off the wiring harness that goes all the way back to the parking lights and the tow hitch. Everybody's CJ is going to be wired slightly different. Has a lot to do with the previous owners and all those other individuals that have done their own little hack jobs. Mine, I've got wires that are disconnected in various places for various reasons. I don't know what they're connected to, where they go. But what I do know, this goes to the parking brake, and then it runs through a series of clips on the body, goes through this plastic little housing that will take off, runs up through here and into the back. So we're going to take off this, and then we're also going to take off the rear parking lights. We're going to start with the simple part. We're going to take off the plastic housing that the wires go through up along the B-pillar, I believe, right behind the roll bar. This is a fairly simple process. These are 5/16 head, which I can't get in there. That doesn't work. That sucks. Okay, let's do this one. Looks like there's a total of 1, 2, 3, 4 screws that hold this in. 5, but a few of these are already missing. I don't want to bore you with this. Hold on.